Hello my people, it's electrical work. Yeah, we're in laundry room now. It's laundry. You can see this double socket, this single socket, another double socket, another single socket. Yes, see the light, the POP light. See the center one. This one now, it have your switch. You can change it to colored, and say you can remove it and put it. You say you put the dropping light. So you can change it to colored. See the rest white. Off it now. The one that surround that center one. On it again. Yes. Yes. You see, we're going to the second room. So now I even know this place is a store. You see the two light and the other center. That is drop. You can put dropping light there. So I go to the power room. See the two light now. The center one, you can put dropping light there. This is a fence light. See all of them. All of them, they all lights. They don't have problem. You can see the fence light. Yes. Yeah. The side of the building is tank side. So we're now in of the house, the back of the building. So now you see the fence, this fence light, the surrounding light for the fence. Yes. Yeah.